fight and fight and unity. But I will never judge yung nagkakamenta natin. You will never judge them. You have to share kindness every day. And love, kindness, and understanding. Because we need it now. Did you see the world now? What is going on? War, COVID, corruption. Wala na eh. So I think we better change human. Parang mas maganda pa nga yung mga doggy ngayon, di ba? Yung mga dogs. I'm sorry to say that. But as a human being, we should continue fighting and sharing love and understanding yung mental problem, yung mga bata nagpo-post ng sexy, ng etc. You don't judge them. That's part of life. Okay? Yun ang namin purpose.
Siguro, as a suggestion ko na, siguro lang maganda may konti ring backstory. Your family, when you were a child, so a little more...
It's not the rich. Hindi ka dapat maging mayaman para maging happy. Me? I'll tell you, Gerard, I made a lot of money na I can buy a house. I gave it away. Because I wasn't happy with it. Luckily, yung husband ko, okay lang. Okay? Lucky. But I really worked hard for it. But you can never be happy with money. Never. It's like, material lang to use na marang comfort. But the real happiness is within you. Contentment. That's what I discovered.
And going back, I was just looking for sana merong mga scenes that brings you to your childhood.
I have
in the book, meron talaga siya.
I have also a song. I created a song. But it's limited the same time natin.
Yes.
Kasi 1 hour na yung mahigit eh.
So I think that will complete the backstory.
Yeah, that's what...
Where you come from.
Yes, sir. Kasi meron akong, I created at the beginning yung childhood ko. Yung papa ko nagtatrabaho sa oil mills. Naaamoy ko yung coconut. Tapos yung papa ko talagang trying hard to work na parang maano niya yung 8 children niya. Maano kami, mapapunta ng private school, lahat, gano'n. I created a song for that. And I'm happy that we were not rich. You know why? I became like me.
Thank you.
Salamat to our dear members of the press for coming tonight in spite of the bad weather. And with that, we would like to say good luck to Motifa, the musical. We were the first witness to how this material, which is a work in progress, is all about. I'm sure lahat tayo alam natin. We cover a lot of theater productions. So, again, to the rest of the theme of Motifa, our best of cheers, and we hope to hear from everyone when the new material will already be in its full glory, and we will be here to support. Salamat, salamat, salamat.
Thank you, Sir James.
Thank you, everyone.